We got ourselves some tea and some rusks because it's like a pre-morning snack.
Spill the wine, spill the secrets, catch the Colosseum glances, ink on pages by the fire of fucking alien dances. Cut the deal, cut the road, take the gate, keep the throne, move the pieces, name the days, edge the future into
So I finally came to my garden after like 2 weeks, and that's because I was so busy with college and everything. And just wanted to give you a little story time. So yesterday was a Friday, and I also posted a video, so it was a productive day. But the thing was, yesterday I wasn't going to go to college, even though we did have a class, and it was mainly because nobody comes on a Friday. But then suddenly, 5:30 a.m. on Friday, it started raining so heavily. Like there was a scene of torrential rain, which is why they gave us a holiday. So I was really happy about it because at least I did not miss any notes. And yesterday was like a very slow day for me. I was like, kind of spending some time with myself and journaling, doing stuff. And I studied a little bit, but not a lot. But today is 15th of August, so happy Independence Day to everyone out there. And I want this day to be productive because we have a holiday. So obviously I want to study, and then tomorrow is a Sunday. So we have like good 2 days to do so much of work. And I just want to, just get back on track and do things with punctuality and discipline, because soon we'll be getting, those presentations and activities to do. And I want to, enjoy my college life because it's just been so freaking hectic after NEET. So yeah. But first, since I have my breakfast, let's get started with coffee first, and then we're gonna study.
some people just know what to say. Philosophizing on a page at a cafe. Some people just know what to do. Perpetual running, always chasing the view. Live it up, write it down. Don't blame the players, blame the builders of the first town. And we all end up.
So here we have our setup. That's my iced coffee. This is my lecture notes book for botany, and this is my extra notebook for botany. These are like my lecture notes book. It's green in color, so I chose this book. And I did this one jugaad. I'm gonna share it with you guys. This is my fan for laptop. This is a laptop fan basically. So for quite some time, whenever I kept my book down, like in this position, I had these terrible headaches, and my focus would get like really reduced. Mainly because I don't know, I need to put my head down a lot, and then my neck would start paining, and everything would just get really demotivating and unproductive. So I did this jugaad where I kept this book on this laptop fan, and it's got pretty better. Instead of buying those really expensive things that lift up your book to read, just buy this, because I know everyone has a laptop and they would definitely need a fan because the laptops get really hot, especially during this summer. So this is a good jugaad that I did right now. And here is my detailed notebook for the subject botany. It consists of all the notes, extra notes, and it also has some extra things as well, even though a lot of things are related to 11th and 12th grade biology, chemistry, and just mixing botany and zoology together. So it's not that hard for me to understand. Obviously there are some new things, and I also chose botany because I have to study a lot. There are just too many diagrams and details to study about. So yeah, let's just get started with the work.
What would the world be without the brightest lovers?
This is what I have done till now, and I swear we're stuck on the first page itself, but I'm just going like really detailed, and in between like I was getting not distractions, but I was being called a lot in between, how the Brown household is like. Usually, someone's calling for some help or anything, so that is why a lot of that took a lot of time. But it is 11:35 approximately, so we're going to be moving on to the next subject. And I realized that I hadn't journaled anything, like I didn't write tasks that I need to complete today, so I'm going to be doing that. I still have some of my coffee left. So, long story short, I took a really long break. 2 hours passed and I did not study anything. That's because I was having a little family time. So basically, as you can see, the TV is on because we're watching Netflix, and I tied my hair into a bun because it's pretty hot and it's kind of irritating me. We need to study chemistry right now, so it's currently 1:10 and we're gonna start chemistry, but we're also gonna eat something first because I'm really hungry. I think that's why I was a little, demotivated and unproductive. So yeah, but I had a good botany study session, so I'm gonna be moving with chemistry, and then we need to like complete things, and I'm forcing myself to complete things, and I do have an afternoon nap, so I'm gonna be having my afternoon nap as well. And I also have some leftover coffee that I need to finish, and then we're gonna have something else as well.
By the foreign ruins under July skies, heat of the moment into lovers' eyes. Marble on their sneakers, empires on their dust. A pen in a diary, keeping what it was. Same book, different pages, iterating through the ages. Different tools, different fools, but nothing ever truly changes. Same roles, different actors with spectators in the rafters. A tale as old as time, and now it's also mine.
Okay, so I'm just getting ready to sleep. I'm gonna be changing my outfit because it's pretty hot. I just now on the AC and I want to like sleep comfortably. So I'm gonna be changing into the t-shirt that I usually wear at night, and I'm gonna be sleeping even though I don't feel that sleepy. And it's probably because I'm not that exhausted. I mean, nobody gets that exhausted till now, but it's important to have sleep in the afternoon. First of all, because it's really hot, even though there may be like, some conditions of rain happening, but you never know the climate, so whatever. So if I sleep right now, I will be productive at night because I need to do a good night study session, and that is how I can be awake till 12 or 1 a.m. and that's usually my routine whenever I go to college as well. I'm gonna be sleeping at 12 a.m. or 1, and then I wake up suddenly at 6:30 or like 5:30, something like that. So yeah, let's just I'm gonna be seeing you guys after having a nap. So
Just know what to say. Philosophizing on a page at a cafe. Some people just know what to do. Perpetual running, always chasing the view. Live it up, write it down. Don't blame the players, blame the
okay, so I forgot to show you, but I finally completed my hybridization. It took a really long time. It took like almost 4 pages, I think. 1, 2, and then like 3, 4, and then a little bit of the 5th page as well. I had done quite a lot of research for this as well. Now we're finally done. The only thing I need to do is revise some of the front pages, and I also need to study some periodic table elements.
rulers of the first 10. And we all end up quoting our mothers. What would the world be without the brothers and lovers?
So basically, these are the notes that I did for biotechnology, and it is currently 11:25, and this is me. So basically, I'm speaking really softly because everyone's like sleeping over here, and it's currently raining, but it's like, it rains and then it stops, and then it rains and then it stops. So basically, I forgot to show some things in between, and that was because I had a lot of usage of my phone itself, so I couldn't like record a lot of things because I was busy doing stuff on my phone. I did botany, and I also revised the cell cycle and the unit of life, which are like 11th grade botany chapters. And I did that because we also have a unit both in biotech. I don't know if it's in botany or not, but I'm pretty sure it's in biotech, that we study the cell cycle and like, different things about it. And I think we will be starting that unit in the next class. I'm not sure, but I think we will. And I also did like a little bit of chemistry questions. There may be some of the other questions, and since we have theory and MCQs both in this course, so I have to go both ways. But my plan right now is to study botany because we have to do that as well. I'm pretty behind in botany. At least I came a little bit on track for biotech, but I'm really bored with it for some reason. So I'll be changing my subject to botany. And yeah, I'm just so sleepy, so I look like really exhausted. But I just want to do my work, and yeah. Okay, let's get started.